Good morning, most beautiful people. We are coming at you from, where are we, guys?
I don't know. Utah.
Utah.
I don't know where.
We are about to go explore Zion National Park in somewhere Utah. I don't know exactly what city it is in, but we are driving that way now. The weather is definitely warmer than Yellowstone. We spent after we left Yellowstone, we spent a few days in Teton with our great friend Jessica, David, Floyd. They live in, what's the city?
Salt Lake City.
No, they live, you know, like 45 minutes or so outside of Salt Lake City. Are going to be going on the Narrows hike today. So we got our waterproof boots on. We're gonna get ourselves some walking sticks and head off onto the trail. It is gorgeous out here right now. It's definitely gonna get hotter today, but I'm here standing in this corner because the wind's blowing pretty hard. We just hiked a mile. Now we're hiking 2 miles upstream.
Let's beast it, guys, okay?
Okay, everybody gather your thoughts. We're about to be walking in 50-degree water for 2 miles. What do you think?
It's gonna be cold.
It's gonna be cold. We're in Zion National Park. We're taking the Narrows Trail upstream.
Do what you can. Keep walking.
Here we go. Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, go. Go, buddy. That's why we have sticks and shoes. It's just like walking in the creek with shoes on. How about you come over here? Come over here so it's not so bad. How about that?
Or just get out.
It feels good on my feet right now.
Yeah, it does.
You gotta make sure there's that sandbar. Andrew, do not fall down, okay? Put the stick in front of you with both hands if you need to. Look.
Hello, beautiful people. Glad to see you back. We are in Page, Arizona, which is the halfway point. I wouldn't say it's the halfway point, but we are at Antelope Canyon, which is about 2.5 hours northeast of Grand Canyon. So yesterday we spent the entire day at Grand Canyon. We decided to leave a day early because we booked a tour of Antelope Canyon. I am so excited about that. The pictures look amazing, so I'm really excited to go and do that. We did a little hike yesterday, a mile down Grand Canyon on the Bright Angel Trail. It was extremely hot, I'm not gonna lie. It was hot. I was a little miserable. So we did a mile down and hiked back up, and then we just hopped on a shuttle and did the rest of the tour. We let's see, tomorrow we'll be doing our Antelope Canyon, and we'll be here for 2 more nights, and then we'll be going towards Bryce Canyon and making our way back home to Georgia. I honestly cannot believe it's already been almost 3 weeks since we left Georgia. Definitely miss home. I miss my pool time with my girlfriends and my neighbors, and I miss my church family, and probably most of all, I miss my kitty cats. So I just wanted to apologize for the lack of video conversation in episode 3. I have started taking a new medication, and my face is really dry. So like when I first started taking it on this trip, my face went crazy. It took me a while to figure out like what to put on my skin. Obviously it's super dry out here, we're in the desert. So it took me a while to finally figure out what to do to help that. I still have a little bit of issues here, but it's definitely hot in Arizona. I remember when we lived in Arizona after we came back, and people would always ask, oh my gosh, I bet it's so hot out there. And I'm like, yeah, it's really hot during the daytime, but in the shade it feels good. So like right now it feels absolutely amazing. In the sun it is hot as the actual devil. So I mean, it's definitely desert area. You can see just a little peek of some of the canyon there. If it'll focus. I don't think it'll focus. You can see a little bit of it, but tomorrow we'll be in Antelope Canyon, and there'll be plenty more of video to add to that.